Hello everybody, I have a package to share with you today from Pandahall, and I haven't opened it, I just cut the package open, so I thought we'd open it together. So Pandahall is one of the largest jewellery findings and finishing jewellery suppliers online. They have for many years provided professional and affordable materials for both jewellery designers and crafters from around the world. I already own a few items from Pandahall and have always found them to be of really good quality. It's not just jewellery and fixings that they supply, they also have many different craft supplies as well. If you're ordering from their website, be aware that they do sell in wholesale and in small lot. So once you've looked up your category, if you're only wanting like a regular lot size, like a regular crafter, be sure to click the little box that says small lot. And if you're wanting wholesale, then click that one as well. The whole ordering process is actually quite simple and easy to understand. So Pandahall have kindly asked me if I would like to sample some of their products, and I said that would be lovely. So I have picked a few things out and I'll share them with you now. Now the first thing I received was a packet of embroidery floss. There are 18 different colours in this. I actually got two. Just let me get the other one. So I got them in two different colorways. One has darker colors. Well, they both have darker colors, but they have different colors in them. Some of them are variegated. In fact, I think they're all variegated. Well, that's nice because I don't think I have. Maybe I may have one or two variegated and that's it. So that will be lovely. So as I said, there's 18 skeins in each packet. So I'll have some nice embroidery threads to play with there. So they were the first items that I received. The second one was this, and this is a computerized embroidery iron-on flower patches. Oh, they're quite soft too. Oh, look at that. And I thought this would be ideal to use in slow stitching and things like that. It's actually looking more pink on the screen. I don't know what it's going to look like on video, but it's a coral kind of color. It's very, very pretty, and you can see it's really soft. It's very soft, so that's lovely. That'll be fun to play with, and it looks like it can be cut apart quite easily to make it into smaller pieces. So that's the second thing I received from them. The third thing I received was this, and this is 9 yards of tartan print ribbon. It is a polyester ribbon. So you get 9 yards in 3 different widths. Let me just, okay, I'll do it in inches. So that's like 3/4 of an inch. No. That is 3/8 of an inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inch. They're not too flimsy, they're quite thick, and I thought once again in slow stitching they would be wonderful, but also in journal making. I think they're quite lovely, so that'll be nice to play with as well. The next thing I received, and I'm quite excited about this one. This is, okay. I didn't realize I got 2 sets. I think they come in a pack of 2 sets. So I'll just put one to the side. Oh, aren't they lovely? Okay, so these are metal purse frames, and it has the kiss clasp on it in a pearl. And they come in, there it is. sticky. I'll just take one out, but that's the frame there. They open like that and close very nicely. I'll take the other one, little one. Isn't the little one so cute? I'm not a cutesy person, but they're very sweet. Like that. Oh, isn't that lovely? So they come in 3 different sizes. I might as well take the other one out. This one's been protected with some tissue paper. And that's the larger one. And make sure they all work. They open up nicely, don't they? Look at that. And they have the little rings. That one? It has one. And so does the other one. So that must be, it must be meant to have like a loop or something like that on that one. But these ones have the 2. Like that. Oh, aren't they wonderful? Let's see, what does it say? So there are 3 sizes purse frames. Kiss class. In the metal colour. I think they're wonderful. Look at those. So I'm looking forward to playing with those this month. Aren't they wonderful? I will be making a couple of projects with these things to show you how they work and to use them, of course. Oh, they're so lovely. I love those. I love those. And you get 2 packs with that. And the last thing I received is some fabric pieces. Look at this. Wow. Okay, what does it say? 36 printed flower cotton pieces. 36. It seems a lot more. They might be quite long. Let's have a look. What does it say? Oh. Yeah. Oh, they're very long. Okay, how long are they? So they're 2.5 inches wide. I don't know how long. Isn't that wonderful? Let's have a look at some of the colours. I'm trying to think. If I measure that, I wonder how long that is. Oh, I'll just... That's 12 to about there. 30, 60 inches approximately. In length by 2.5. Let's have a look at some of the colours. Looks like there's some wonderful colours in here. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Just the right amount of fabric. That'd be nice for Christmas time, those reds. Of course, for people that enjoy using red a lot, anytime. Great size for Suffolk puffs, great size for hexagons, great size for a lot of different things. It's so nice to have a good variety. And they will go with these embroidery threads beautifully. Small patchwork projects. Just general crafts. Isn't that lovely? Oh, it's so good to have such a good variety of colours. And they're happy colours. Lovely. That's another beautiful one there, isn't it? Pretty. So as I was saying, Pandahall, they're not just jewellery findings and supplies. They do have other crafts on there as well. It's very bright, sunny colour. A little bit for everyone, I guess. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. But you don't just have to, you know, you can use these in just any type of craft that you want to use fabric in. In your journals, you can use things like this. Oh, look at that. There's like 3 different, they're all the same pattern, but 3 different colorways of that one. It's nice. Very pretty. I think we're in the middle. Yes, we are. What a great selection of fabrics that is. How wonderful. And plenty of it. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these lovely items from Pandahall. The lovely embroideries there and the clasps, the purse clasps. This is going to be a lot of fun to play with this month, and I hope you'll come back and see what I make using these items. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, everybody. Bye. I will put links to Pandahall in the description box below if anybody is interested in going and having a look, seeing what they have in their wonderful online store. And take care, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.